Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Only one life that soon is past, only what is done with love will last. Better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all. Love does not consist of gazing at each other, but in looking together in the same direction. Just in case you have forgotten, today you matter, you are loved, you are worthy, you are magical. To love is to burn, to be on fire. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. To love is risky, not to love is foolish. Love is not finding a perfect person, it is seeing an imperfect person perfectly. We love because it is the only true adventure. Age does not protect you from love, but love to some extent protects you from age. Where there is love, there is life. Attention is the rarest and purest form of generosity. The more I think it over, the more I feel that there is nothing more truly artistic than to love people. You call it madness, but I call it love. Love yourself, then forget it, then love the world. True love stories never have ending. Never make someone a priority when all you are to them is an option. He is not a love who does not love forever. Him that I love, I wish to be free even for me. In the end we discover that to love and let go can be the same thing, Jack. Love must be as much as light as it is flame. I wish I had done everything on earth with you. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.